झुकना पड़ेगा यार. मतलब I have never seen this kind of talent, and thank you Anna for introducing us to this. We have to go back. Suraj, कुछ करना पड़ेगा. yeah. All is impossible. मतलब यार हम लोग पॉट पे बैठते तो उठना नहीं होता यार. इन लोग क्या क्या कर रहे थे. It is so amazing to see this kind of fitness. I remember this Mickey sitting down there, and जब मैं सूरज के उम्र का था, so for pocket money I used to give swimming classes, Sea Princess में. तो मैं एक ट्रेनर था और उस वक्त मैं एल्फिंस्टन कॉलेज में था. एंड आई रिमेंबर गोइंग टू मिकी. आई टेकन माय यंगर सिस्टर पीता for swimming classes, and I just enjoy swimming. I used to swim for my school and college. So I told Mickey, I said, Mickey, I would like to train kids. And that's when I actually got into training. Thank you, Mickey, for making me a part of your squad at that time in Sea Princess. And I started training at that time, and I started swimming. That was my first introduction to sports. And जैसे इन सब ने कहा है कि, you know, they are all so fit, but as you said, swimming, the gentleman said swimming and cycling and running.
Yeah.
You know, these are the things that don't need a gym. In fact, if you saw these guys are so fit and they are no members, or you don't need to be a member of a elite gym or pay ₹1,00,000 a year or 30,000 rupees a month, which the gym's asking for. You can actually do this at home or in your backyard. And that's what exactly Anna wants you to be introduced to. So I just believe that, and you know, there's one thing that I noticed. What they were doing was very difficult. It needs a lot of practice, a lot of training, lots of strength, a lot of stamina. But did you see the positivity on their face? They were happy, they were smiling. And that's what I genuinely believe in. You know, I go to a hotel, and the first thing I say that before you take me to the room, take me to the gym. And I go to the gym, and I've been to a lot of gyms, and I see a lot of kids who work out who are very stressed कि आज इतना उठाया है, कल खुद को challenge करके और उठाएंगे, and they cause injuries. They are not very well versed with their diets. I mean no offense to trainers who want to see fast results with their students, but there is no shortcuts. All these people that you see or that you saw have been around for a very long time, and injury is the worst thing that can happen to you. So stay fit, don't get into any shortcuts, and I think that Sony Liv and Anna have done the best thing to India, because India can stay fit like this.